Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay for GitHub Copilot. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do is navigate to github.com and then log in. You see on this screen the dashboard. So second thing is let's head over here to the profile picture at the upper right corner and select settings. Scroll down the left sidebar to the access section and then click billing and licensing and then choose payment information. All right. Then what you are going to do, scroll down and you will see additional information and uh, payment, add information. But if you are not sure how much and which one you want to choose, you can go here to the licensing and then we can go to upgrade Copilot. So I will click on that one. And right here we have basically the option of these models. So you can check what's inside every package. Now, if we go back to the payment information, what we can do here, we can save billing information with our data. And yeah, you can also, what you can do, basically we'll add credit card and so on. But I think the easiest way to do that and the simplest way is if you go to the licensing and then upgrade Copilot, and right here you can select out of 3 paid plans. So you have for $10 a month, 39 and 100. You can decide which one you need. But yeah, I think this is pretty much it how you can pay to GitHub Copilot. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the